In Pakistan, International Women's Day has become synonymous with Aurat March, which means हर साल की तरह इस साल भी women will come out in numbers to demand for their rights. लेकिन हर साल की तरह इस साल भी unfortunately women will face hostility when they come out in numbers to ask for their basic rights. क्या इसका मतलब ये है कि पाकिस्तान की आईन और पीनल कोड औरतों को कोई हुकूक नहीं देते? Do our women have no rights in this country? But that's far from reality. The truth is that the Constitution of Pakistan plus the Penal Code have a number of laws pertaining to women in this country. But that's not it. They also state punishments that come along with committing such crimes. One of the first rights that the country provides is right to education. हमारे यहाँ आज भी काफ़ी वालिदैन हैं जो अपनी बच्चियों को स्कूल नहीं भेजते. But according to the law of the land, every child between the age of 5 to 16 has a right to education. Similarly, forced marriages unfortunately have become a norm. However, the Penal Code states, whoever coerces or in any manner compels a woman to enter into marriage shall be punished with imprisonment. Forced marriages की सज़ा 3 से 5 साल है और उसके अलावा 5 लाख रुपए जुर्माना भी है. Women in Pakistan are also prohibited from inheriting property. However, the law clearly states, whoever by deceitful or illegal means deprives any woman from inheriting any movable or immovable property shall be punished with imprisonment. This is accompanied with a fine of rupees 1 million and imprisonment of up to 5 to 10 years. Despite many cases of violence against women, the law of the country protects its women against physical assault and abuse. The Penal Code of Pakistan states, whoever assaults or uses criminal force to any woman intending to outrage or knowing it to be likely that he will thereby outrage her modesty shall be punished with imprisonment. It also adds, whoever strips a woman of her clothes and in that condition exposes her to the public view shall be punished with death or with imprisonment for life. Lastly, while there are many more laws that the Pakistan Constitution provides to its women, it's important to talk about what are the laws that exist in incidences of rape. Let's not forget that according to Sustainable Social Development Organization, there has been a 200% increase in cases of violence against women in Pakistan, and that is just stats from last year. Research further shows that by the end of February 2020, as many as 73 incidents of rape, including 5 gang rape cases, were reported in the city of Lahore alone. Pakistan Penal Code के मुताबिक एक रेपिस्ट की सज़ाए मौत या lifetime imprisonment है. And as opposed to hearsay, a woman does not need to present a witness to prove rape. जबकि harassment की सज़ा 3 साल imprisonment है और 5 लाख रुपए जुर्माना. पर harassment होती क्या है? According to the Penal Code, harassment takes place when an individual intends to insult the modesty of any woman, which may be through word, sound or gesture, or demands sexual favors which may intimidate or threaten the person, constitutes so as harassment. The Constitution also adds that such behavior may occur in public or private places. While there is a long way to go for women in Pakistan to feel safe, the laws exist. All you have to do is take a stand.